What have you got there?
If you're going to the Coleman Cup TFG,
I'm not. But if I was,
if you were, and if you wanted to go fast, this is what you would need.
That'd be rare.
Or if you wanted a car that drove straight. Nice Rubik's bag, by the way.
That's a fine Rubik's bag.
I specially developed with the guys here, the testing and trialing and testing these sweeps. And I think I spoke about them a little bit.
Yep.
These are the all new Sweep Gold Magenta. So it's all in the compound. These are very familiar treads. We'll go to the overhead.
Yeah, square armors.
Square armors, pin, perfect for old school dirt, but it's the compound. Gold Magenta. These have been optimized for Nox. These are really, really good.
That would mean that they're Nox-domized.
Nox-domized. Yeah. And also charges vintage as well. So we've had that compound pressed into square armor, tri-ribs, which is a two-wheel drive front.
Rib for your pleasure.
And square armor four-wheel drive fronts, as well as Tendroid two-wheel drive fronts, which I seemingly didn't grab. But yeah, so these are really cool. So if you're running at the Coleman Cup or a couple of weeks after that at the Vintage Bash, as am I, you will be wanting these. And this is what they look like on 91 wheels.
Yeah.
And these is exactly where these tires are going to stay.
Yeah.
However,
I'm going to glue it. You're going to glue it?
I'm going to glue it.
Yeah.
I'm going to glue it. I'm going to put holes in it. But yeah, so really good tire. Get onto that. Like I said, we've had it developed especially for these conditions. And I'm super proud because Wonga Nox charges vintage track.
Yep.
Really hard to come to terms with because it's quite challenging to find traction.
Not with these.
And it's not always in the tread or whatever, but yeah, Sweep have come to the party and smashed out of the park. This was actually a winter compound that we developed for Keor, but it works amazingly well as a dirt tire, which is really good. And that was under direction of Sweep, actually. Sweep said, this is what you need.
So Stephen Kong.
Yeah, we were going to go down the path of an 8th scale compound.
Yeah.
But he strongly suggested we tried this, and Sweep have come up with the goods.
They are the guts of the duck.
That's right. So get the...